Chapter 6. The question is, in figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced points E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of triangle CBE and BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus angle half into angle BAC. This is the figure. This angle is x degree, this is y degree, this is z degree. Here given that BO and CO bisectors of angle CBE and BCD, that is BO is the bisector of CBE, BO is the bisector of angle CBE, also CO is the bisector of angle BCD. Okay, so first BO is the bisector of angle CBE, therefore angle CBO is equal to half into angle CBE. Okay, BO is the bisector of CBE, therefore CBO is equal to half into CBE. Okay, then we know that AE is a straight line, then sum of these two angles, that is angle Y plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree. AE is a straight line, then angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180, angle ABC is equal to Y. Therefore angle CBE is equal to 180 minus Y. So here angle CBO is equal to half into angle CBE, which is equal to half into 180 minus Y degree. So half into 180 minus Y degree, which is equal to half into 180 minus half into Y, which is equal to half into 180 is equal to 90 by 90 minus Y by 2, that is angle CBO is equal to 90 minus Y by 2 degree. This is equation number 1. Okay, so here BO is the angle bisector of CBE, therefore angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle CBE is equal to 180 minus Y degree. BO is the bisector of CBE, therefore angle CBO is equal to half into angle CBO, which is equal to 90 minus Y by 2 degree. This is equation number 1. Okay. Also we know that CO is the angle bisector of angle BCD. Therefore angle BCO is equal to half into angle BCD. Angle BCO is equal to half into angle BCD. Clearly we know that AD is a straight line. Then sum of these two angles is equal to 180. That is angle ACB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle ACB is equal to Z plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So Z plus angle BCD is equal to 180. Therefore angle BCD is equal to 180 minus Z degree. Okay. Therefore angle BCO is equal to half into angle BCD. Okay. So angle BCD is equal to 180 minus Z degree. So which is equal to half into 180 minus Z. So which is equal to half into 180 minus half into Z, which is equal to 90 minus Z by 2 degree. That is angle BCO is equal to 90 minus Z by 2. This is equation number 2. Okay. Then consider triangle BCO. We know that Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle BCO plus angle BOC plus angle CBO is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Angle BCO, we know that, which is equal to 90 minus Z by 2 plus angle BOC. Angle BOC plus angle CBO is equal to 90 minus Y by 2. 90 minus Y by 2 is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 minus Z by 2 minus Y by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 180 plus Z by 2 plus Y by 2. 180 minus 180 is equal to 0, so which is equal to half into Y plus Z. This is equation number 3. Angle BOC is equal to half into Y plus Z. So, consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, there are three angles X, Y and Z. Then X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180. Therefore, Y plus Z is equal to 180 minus X. Therefore, equation 3 becomes angle BOC is equal to half into Y plus Z. So, Y plus Z is equal to 180 minus X. So, which is equal to half into 180 minus half into X. So, which is equal to 180 by 2 is equal to 90 minus half into X. X is equal to angle BAC. So, angle BAC. That is, we get angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half into angle BAC. Okay, angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half into angle BAC. Hence the answer. Okay, thank you.